Very good morning, students. This is Rahul Garg. Hope you are doing your homework on time. Student, we have discussed substitution method in our previous class. Today, we will continue the substitution method, but today we will discuss language-based problems. Before this, first we complete this question. The question is solve 2x plus 3y equals 11 and 2x minus 4y equals minus 24, and hence find the value of m for which y equals mx plus 3. It means firstly you have to solve these two equations and find the value of x and y, and then put that value of x and y in the equation y equals mx plus 3 and find the value of m. I am not doing the complete solution for the of this question at that time. I am just providing you the hint and then you have to solve the question yourself. So firstly, what we will do by substitution method, we will find the value of x from first equation, means it will become 2x equals 11 minus 3y, x equals 11 minus 3y divided by 2, and then you will put this value of x in equation second. Here the equation will become in variable y and a numeric value. Here after solving you will get the value of y and put that value of y in equation first. Then after solving you will get both the value of x and y. Put that value of x and y, put the value of x and y after solving in equation y equals mx plus 3, and after solving you will get the value of m. So student, you have to try this question yourself. Now we are going to discuss problems, language based problems. So now we will discuss language based problem. Student, we have 10 types of language based problem, and in our final exam we will have nowhere mentioned that which method you want to implement. You can use substitution method, you can use elimination method. So I'm not focusing on the method, but I'm just telling you how to make the equation from your language based problems. So firstly we have number based problem. Number based problems. And then we have second, angle based problem. Third we have price based, or we can say money based problem. It may be cost price, it may be selling price, it may be income, or it may be price, or maybe money, you have different kinds of notes, say rupees 50, rupees 6, rupees 100 types of notes, and it may be price or money based. Now fourth one is fare based or charge based, like taxi type problems in which there is a fixed charge, or maybe it is a rent type, property rent type problems, or charges based. And our fifth problem is based on fraction, in which we will deal with numerator and denominator. And our sixth type question is age based. And seventh, your marks based, examination marks based, passing marks based, like this. And geometry types based, you can include this in this also. Geometry, it may be triangle, rectangle, okay. And the next one is most important, are boat and stream. There is a separate exercise for this, boat and stream. In your final exam, maybe boat and stream question finally will come in 5 marks. Now we will discuss one by one. Firstly, we will discuss number based problem. What types of points you have to note down? In number based problem, you have to keep in mind which number is greater, whether you are letting x greater or y. And second thing, in number based problems, there may be unit digit based question, unit digit and tens digit. You know, a number is represented if x is unit digit and y is tens digit, then the number will be represented as 10y plus x. Keep this thing in mind. Now our angle based problem. In angle based problem, we have two types of angle, complementary angle and supplementary angle. First, supplementary angle. Supplementary angles are those whose sum is 180 degree, and complementary angle are those whose sum is 90 degree. Today we will discuss only these two methods, and in the next lecture we will discuss price money based or fare based, and then we will move to our rest three: fraction, age based and marks based. So start with our question. In your first question, your exercise 3.3, question number 3, part first. The difference between two numbers is 26 and one number is 3 times the other. Find them. So here what we have given that difference is, here difference is 26 and one number is greater than one number is 3 times the other, is 3 times the other. You only concentrate on these two statements. First, let the number. If I am letting the first number, let the first number equals x and the second number y. Now according to statement, if you read the statement, if the difference between two numbers is, means firstly we will have to take the difference. So if my x is greater than y, then the difference will be x minus y. The difference is means equals is 26. This is my first equation. And according to second situation, the one number is means one number is 3 times other, means my greatest number means x is equal sign, 3 times the others. This is your second equation. Now by substitution method you will solve it and find out the solution. I am not going to solve all the questions because I am now going on to only to formulate the linear equations, and the rest solution will have to do yourself. Now our second question is exercise 3.3, second question. Third questions, part second. The larger of two supplementary angles exceeds the smaller by 18 degree. So firstly we will let the larger angle, here the larger angle x and smaller angle y, degree, or you can write here unit, but in question degree is mentioned, then we will use degrees. Now according to statement, the larger of two supplementary angle means x exceeds the smaller means is equals y plus 18 exceeds the smaller by 18 degree. This is my first equation. Now the supplementary angles are those angles whose sum is 180 degree. It means x plus y equals 180 degree. This is my second equation. You have to solve this by substitution method. Thank you, students.